Welcome to Tech Tips, where you can learn a thing or two about technology. Today I will show you guys how to subscribe to a YouTube channel. Of course, it is brought to you by It's Your Girl Shorty. So guys, we'll start by opening YouTube. When it is loaded, we'll look for the search bar area, where we will type in the name of the channel that we want to subscribe to. The channel today we are looking for is It's Your Girl Shorty. So after typing in It's Your Girl Shorty, we press the enter key. This will then take you to Shorty's home page, where we will see the subscribe button to the right in red highlighted. We'll then click on the button, and then to the right of the button you'll see a bell. You then click on the bell and then select all. What this does is really to allow you to be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Thanks for watching Tech Tips. For more videos like this, you can subscribe to It's Your Girl Shorty. Thank you.